Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to fix any issues related to auto brightness on LENOVO Legion Tab Gen 3. Let's begin. So for the first thing, let's simply try and see if we have auto brightness enabled. We can easily do that by expanding control center right here, then expanding it once again, and let's try to search for auto adjust brightness. As you can see, currently it is disabled, meaning that our auto brightness feature will not work. Now it's enabled, and well, our auto brightness should readjust itself automatically, as you can see. However, if you don't see this feature, you want to click this pencil icon and you want to simply drag and add from tiles down below auto brightness. However, if you don't want to change your panel from the control center, you can always go to the settings, and in the settings you want to scroll down until you will see display, and here, after scrolling down a little, we have adaptive brightness. So you want to make sure that you have this function enabled if you want to have your adaptive brightness feature working. However, if you're still encountering any kind of issues with auto brightness, you can easily just simply restart the device. You can just do that by hitting that power button and hitting reboot. I know it sounds kind of silly, but it does really help, especially considering that auto brightness feature works thanks to sensors in the camera, and sensors, just like any kind of software, will be rebooted, and every hardware, to be honest, is going to be rebooted when you restart your device. So those sensors are also get restarted and they might be working again. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.